What's your wrist tattoo? Bible verse say.
About me and you.
Give me my debit. Come on. Come on, just get out.
Yeah, yeah. I've been waiting for you.
Oh. What is going on, guys? So, where are we?
Lake Mead, it's called.
So look at us. Look what we're doing. I don't see no restaurants in there. It just looks like a bunch of boats. But you gotta trust the GPS.
Restaurant?
So there's one somewhere around.
Yeah.
Right straight up. Okay.
Lake Mead, beautiful.
Go eat on the water.
About to go eat, get some fresh tuna. I'm just kidding. It's first time trying an onion ring. You like it?
It's pretty good.
I'm having a heart attack.
Big ass fish. Show them that fish right there.
Yo, look at all these fish. Why is there so many of them? Look. Pet them. Yo, I can go fishing right here. I don't even need bait. Just throw the hook in there. Oh, look at. Boring. Finally made it.
We got London on the track. Whoa, the track. Yeah, man.
We just finished seeing the Hoover Dam. Now
We found another spot. Yeah, this whole place is just 15 miles. It's just driving. Scenery. Show them out. Show them out. You ready?
I'm ready.
Don't you feel it too? There's a rumor going round and round and round.
About me and you.
Come on, just get out.
Yeah, yeah. He wants me to get out.
Why are you jumping?
Like a
You're not gonna do it.
till I'm motor crazy. I can do
Skirt off.
what you want me to do.
All right, Mr. Speedy. Look at that. Even listening to country music.
Drive down this all day. That's why I'm listening to it.
Because you're relaxed.
So right now we're hiking. How much is it? Like 10 miles?
10.9.
Yeah, we're definitely not doing that, but we'll see how far we can go. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun.
Workout walking back up there.
Ooh.
We came at a good time. It's not too hot.
That looks crazy.
It's a rock. A rock. A rock. It's a big, beautiful old rock. Oh, the pioneers used to ride these babies for miles.
That looks crazy.
So strange.
What are you buying?
Give me my debit. Come on.
Both of our phones died.
Give me
Kid
my
has to go buy.
debit. Yo, if you're still watching, I just want to say thank you. I don't know how you made it, but I appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, please. Oh, and subscribe.